In the first video, we have put together one text out of several pieces. Now we would like to do just the opposite thing. We would like to extract certain parts of a text. So if you have a look in here, you can see we have several texts, and in each text we have first the name, first name, second name, a comma, then street number, comma, zip code and city. And first I would like to just grab this first name and name from the rest of the text. And there's a function called left, which enables me to just get the first 10 characters, for example, from the left side. So if I enter it, say for example left 20, you can see the first 20 characters. It's the name, the comma and some more. And of course the problem is to find out at which position I would like to skip. And there's another function called find. And what I can do is I have a find text. I enter my find text, which is a colon in here. Sorry, the colon. And my second parameter is my text I'm looking into. And the third parameter is the start number, so the character I'm start looking into. Here I can take the number 1 because I'm starting right at the beginning. And you can see the first comma is found at position number 14. So if I combine these two things, I can do, say now left, I'll take this text, I'll enter find, I'll look for my character I'm looking for, I enter again this text as a second parameter, the 1, the starting point. I have to enter this parentheses, and you see I have now Marie Morales including the comma. I would like to get rid of this one as well, so I just subtract a -1, just one character left, and this is working fine. So you see, independent on how many characters are required, always the comma is identified. Maybe this solution is a little bit tricky because we have nested functions. You have the find inside the left. So another option could be not to go for nested functions, but to use this column C, for example, as a helper column or an auxiliary column. Let's change it a little bit and say -1 because we would just leave the comma alone. And now we can say simply this is equal to left, our text, and this one. And then you see we have the same result. However, the formula is a little bit more easy. And if I go down here, if I go down there, and if I go down there, you see the same result. Formulas are more easy. The price you have to pay is you need some additional column. If not requested anything, you can do whatever you like. Either squeeze it into one cell and use nested function, or use an additional column which helps you to maybe make things not that complicated.